Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Shilpi Unplugged. I'm Shilpi Banerjee. Today is day 3 in Langkawi and now we are ready for our sightseeing. We are going to the cable car. We had our breakfast in the hotel itself और फिर वहाँ से शुरू किए हैं, स्टार्ट किए हैं. 8:30 टाइम है. We have started little early क्योंकि वरना यहाँ पे धूप बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाती है तो और थोड़े लेट से जाएंगे तो फिर बारिश होने लगती है, इसलिए अर्ली मॉर्निंग में ही शुरू किए हैं. इट विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 9:30 और यहाँ से ऑलमोस्ट 30 मिनट्स लगेगा पहुँचने में, इसीलिए.
Oh, you have booking? Yeah. We booked it through a company called Make My Trip. Okay. So they have tied up with exotic Asian.
Okay.
I think December, January is the high time. Maybe is it? Yeah, but in Malaysia, 34. But from point is we don't have a control. It will just take around 20 years when you will reach the problem that we are facing today. Right, because we still have a lot of places in the country where population is not too high. There is no such economy. It will just grow. It will just grow beyond the capacity. That's what happened in India. I mean, the late 80s, early 90s, things were not this bad. Okay. Because we did not have so much of a problem. Now things are starting to.
टाइम है 9:05 और देखिए पार्किंग लॉट ऑलमोस्ट खाली है. वी आर अमॉन्ग द अर्ली बर्ड्स हु रीच्ड हियर एंड yes, now we are planning to go to the cable car. We had a very good person who drove us here. Ticket was already provided by Make My Trip. We don't have to buy tickets as of now. We are moving to Sky Cab. देख सकते हैं ये ऑलमोस्ट लाइक रोप वे केबल कार बोलते हैं यहाँ पे. लुक एट द माउंटेन्स देयर, लुक एट द हिल्स देयर. वाओ, ये ब्रिज कितना प्यारा है. यहाँ पे देखिए मार्केट्स भी है. आदित्य थोड़ा आगे चले गए हैं इसलिए हमें अभी स्पीड बढ़ाना है. यस, एंड फाइनली वी आर देयर. ticketing counter is here. The Sky Dome is here. We also have to go to Sky Dome. So that's the Sky Dome. So now let's show the प्रिंट आउट टू देम। देखिए यहाँ पे क्या क्या सर्विसेज हैं एक साथ। दैट्स अ स्टैंडर्ड gondola, glass bottom gondola, private gondola, VIP gondola and 360-degree gondola. So many options together. 15. Still the counters are all closed. तो 9:30 से यहाँ काउंटर्स ओपन होता है। देखिए 9 o'clock से यहाँ पे कितना भीड़ है। Luckily we came early and then Aditya could stand in the front. So yes. So from Make My Trip they had given only 2 adults tickets. The child ticket was not there. Then we purchased the child ticket once again. Uske baad, so now Aditya is trying to sort it out. Finally we got our tickets and now
Underwater world ticket, please.
and now we are here. So the sky cab is here, this side. Sky cab is nothing but the ropeway. It's like यहाँ पे देखिए, यहाँ पे पूरा नंबर्स दिया हुआ है स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 1 2 3 4 5 और ऐसे ही मूविंग रोपवे में केबल कार में यू हैव टू गेट इन। सो 1 by 1 you have to get in and people are actually getting in there. So for child we had to pay like 3 to 12 years we had to pay 58 ringgit and they also gave us tags like this. ये देखिए हाथ में जैसा है for 3 of us. So it's like ये मूविंग है, मूविंग में ही आपको बैठना पड़ेगा। Now it's our turn. 6 people. চলো চুনি তুমি বাবার সাথে যাবে, ওঠো। এখানে বসবো না, এখানে বসো। Yes, only the speed increased. We can look back the entire island and see if we can see the sea also. That Andaman Sea. Almost there. waterfalls.
ఇంత డబ్బుకి వాడు ఎంత తెలుసా 40 డాలర్లు చిన్నప్పుడు ఎంత పెట్టాడు అదేనా
She's like, why did you not check? Why did you take it? You should check. Why did you not call me? I was standing in a long queue. What do you expect me to do? Yeah, and underwater world tickets I have not received. Okay, so I had to pay 68 ringgits from my pocket for this. Look from where we came.
ఓ ఇట్స్ ఎ గుడ్ హౌస్
From there we came.
అవన్
Nikki, we have to be real quick.
Hello, Patricia. You can come here first. You can go up and eat the right away. Thank you.
Nikki, Nikki. Okay. Better nature. एक ट्रिप हो गया है स्काई वॉक का, स्काई ब्रिज का आई मीन. सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. नाउ वी आर वेटिंग हियर नेक्स्ट के लिए, स्काई डोम के लिए. तो वहाँ पे बैच बाई बैच अंदर जाने के लिए होता है. ओके, सो फ्रेंड्स, आई रियली होप दैट यू ऑल आर वॉचिंग and enjoying watching my videos. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.